Today, again, my name's Iwi. I look after the brothers in our particular areas. But it's an honour to be here with us today, and today's outdoor adventures with Kaiui. So, just want to say,
subscribed and shared this by now. You're weird. You're a weirdo. Go. All the boys, bit of a boat fish with some of the man up brothers today. Should be interesting. I left all my gear home, going with the charter special today. See how we get on. Check this out.
Okay. Got your gears there, bro. Watch your step, guys. You get on today.
Here we go.
welcome, no mahara mai. That's us, two tangata. We're in for a mighty day, brothers. The captain will do whatever he says, briefing and whatever, but just a couple of rules for the day, brothers. We've agreed that the smallest person that catches the smallest fish, or even the person that catches nothing, has to swim back to wherever we are. So that's been agreed on already. Second of all, if you're one because I think it's 25 fellas that can. Yeah. We're gonna have to share the rods, but if you're one of those guys that just loves to hog a rod, you'll be thrown over deck. That's already been agreed on by the brothers. And lastly, brothers, if you're one of those fellas that just likes to stick to himself, today is about brotherhood, getting to know each other, and more so just enjoying the day. Just before the captain does take over and just do what he needs to do, I'll just get the brother K's. The brother K's to just give us a few words. Maybe around, I don't know, whatever he wants to share, but this is my brother here that is very nous when it comes to fishing, but not only fishing, the cause that keeps us knitted, the brotherhood knitted. So I think I'll just let the brother Case just open up this morning, and then Karaki is on, and then we'll hand it over to...
Morning, brothers. Yeah, awesome to be able to spend time with you guys today. As the brother Iwi said, you know, I definitely enjoy a bit of fishing and stuff like that, and do a little bit of stuff online, and you know, for me today, yeah, it'd be awesome to pull some fish up and that sort of stuff, because the skip's got the spots for us today. Just want to make sure too, when you do go to the toilet, just make sure it's a southwesterly wind, otherwise it'll go past the whole boat. You know what you ate for dinner last night, boys. So,
sweet, bro. Hey, cheers for that, boys. Hey, thanks for coming today. Hey, I'm Mike. I'm your skipper for today. This is Mike at the back here as well, so nice and easy to remember. Mike and Mike. And Ryan, he's behind Mike in the white shirt. Okay. So anything we can do for you guys, just let us know. Okay. So just go through a bit of a safety briefing before we head out. Life jackets. Okay, they're upstairs in a big grey box. To get upstairs, you go this side of the boat, just hang on to the railing, please. It's quite steep. Okay, if anybody falls over the side, yell up, man overboard, as loud as you can. Point to them. 2 life rings at the back there. Grab one of those and throw that to them.
Laugh at them?
Laugh at them. Really loud, so I can hear and laugh too.
Got hungry. There we go. Okay. It's, oh, no. Whoa. Wow.
That's how I catch my kingy.
That's it. He used to have there was a tooth there before.
I hope you're not going to kiss anybody.
Got a monster, mate!
That's what we came for.
It'll start to get in as this tide starts to
Yep. That's what we came for. Brother K's got the first fish. We're just going to get a breakdown as to why we've had to move posies. So here he is. Let's break it down, brother. Break it down.
Kia ora whanau, outdoor adventures with Kaiui. So we spent about a good 30 minutes, quarter of an hour, or half an hour, pulling up the school or snappers.
Right, because 30 minutes is half an hour, but
Yeah,
carry on.
30 minutes, half an hour.
Right, that's right.
So what we realised is it just went to automatic stop, like a stop sign. So what you then do, you got to look at the adjustment of the sun, southwesterly winds coming in, so they've now travelled.
Right.
The school has now travelled, so you've got to follow the school with the principal in the front. They're relocated to a new location.
Nice.
So now we'll start to pull up again.
Yes.
We'll probably see about 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
We've always got to chop it down.
Chop it down. Right,
So
right.
finally, that is why every time you come to a stop sign, move.
Right.
Do not stay in position. Relocate.
Yeah. So whatever you do, don't move at a stop sign.
Yeah.
Stop at a stop sign. But yeah, there's a word from
Outdoor adventures with K's. That's Kaiui and Caleb. Kaiui first, then Caleb.
That's the one. That's the one. And if you couldn't understand that, he lost the two putting the question earlier. But we'll put that in later. Good tune. Yeah.
Read label, take as directed.
Here he is. He's on. He's in there. There we go. Here's the rod bouncing. There he goes.
Just give it another 5 minutes.
Bro, what's that? Oh, look at that smile. Look at that smile. Here we go, here we go. All the brothers. Into it. One. There's a few fish in the middle, actually. Yeah. Sure. Beautiful. Yeah, nice. Just heading back in now. There's a lot of energy on the way out. They're all tired now. Yeah, that's us. Go back in. Plenty of fish in the bin. Beautiful day out with the brothers. Man up. If you are looking to connect up with some brothers, I'll tell you what, these are the brothers you want to connect up with. Beautiful day. Heaps of kai, salad. And now we're heading home to see our whānau.
That one, this one. This one, that one. That's the 5 I caught. Look here, you're undersized one. That's the one.
Boys, here they go. Hey. Don't forget to look up our YouTube channel, Outdoor Adventures with K's, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified every time we upload a new video.